We want to simplify and express with positive indices. So in part A we have m to the power 1/5 multiplied by m to the power 2/5. Well, we know this index law means we just add the indices, and 1/5 add 2/5 is just simply 3/5, and that's already a positive index, so there's no more to do there. Now in part B we've got x to the 2/3 divided by y to the 3/4 all to the power 1/2. Well, that's going to be x to the 2/3 to the power 1/2 divided by y to the 3/4 to the power 1/2. We're just using the a over b to the n is a to the n over b to the n there. Now we can use a to the m then to the n is a to the mn and multiply here. So 2/3 times 1/2, so the 2's will cancel, we'll get 1/3, so that's x to the 1/3 over 3/4 times 1/2 is 3/8, so that's y to the power 3/8. Now in part C, so let's think about this. This is 4 times the cube root of g to the 4. Now a to the m over n is the nth root of a to the m. So we can write this one as g to the 4/3. Multiplying that by 6 times, on the same basis, g to the 5/4. So the 4 times 6 is easily dealt with, that's just 24. And then we're going to have g to the 4/3 add 5/4. So we need to do 4/3 add 5/4. So common denominator of 12, so that's going to be 16 add 15, so that's 31 over 12. So we're going to have 24g to the 31 over 12. Now in part D we have 3 root x take away 1 over root x squared. Now there's no law that applies with a negative in the middle, so I think we're just going to have to expand these brackets out. So 3 root x take away 1 over root x, 3 root x take away 1 over root x. So if we expand out now, this is going to give us 9, and remember the very definition of a square root is that root x times root x must be equal to x, so that's just going to be 9x. Now here we're going to get take away 3 root x over root x, and we'll get the same here. And then finally we've got this one here which will give us plus. Now if we do 1 over root x times 1 over root x, 1 times 1 is 1, root x times root x is x, so that's going to be 1 over x. So we've got 9x, the root x's cancel here, take away 6, add 1 over x. And our indices are both positive 1, which we don't normally write down.